Imagine a signal from deep space, unlike anything we've ever heard, and then silence. Welcome to a cosmic mystery that has baffled scientists and captured the imagination of the world. We're diving into the story of an inexplicable radio signal that appeared from the void, only to suddenly vanish without a trace. This event is significant because the signal was highly unusual, suggesting a non-natural origin, and its disappearance is just as puzzling as its arrival. Let's go back to the beginning, the momentous discovery of this unusual transmission. The signal was first detected by a deep space observatory, originating from a direction far beyond our solar system, in a distant corner of the galaxy. What made it so unique were its characteristics: a narrowband frequency, a clearly defined non-random repeating pattern, and an intensity that defied known natural phenomena. The next step for the scientific community was a desperate race to investigate and identify the signal's origin. Initial theories immediately split between exotic natural occurrences, like a pulsar, and the tantalizing yet unconfirmed possibility of an artificial source. Global observatories quickly coordinated to try and localize the signal, hoping to pinpoint the exact star or planet it was emanating from, but the vast distance made it incredibly difficult. And then, after weeks of consistent monitoring, the signal suddenly went silent. The precise moment the transmission ceased was recorded across multiple instruments, confirming it wasn't a local equipment malfunction. The unexpected and abrupt nature of the vanishing act, without any gradual fading, was as perplexing as the signal itself. It just stopped. The silence left scientists with more questions than they had when the signal was active. Scientists immediately began intense data analysis, looking for any clue as to why it disappeared, but the results were inconclusive. Crucially, mundane explanations were ruled out. The observatories confirmed all instruments were working perfectly, and there was no known interference that could explain such a complete shutdown. So what are the leading theories behind this cosmic radio ghost? One theory suggests the source was a powerful but temporary event, like an extremely rare stellar flare, or perhaps a technological process that ran out of fuel. The more speculative and exciting hypothesis suggests an advanced alien civilization simply completed its transmission, or perhaps intentionally shut down its beacon, leaving us stranded at the receiving end. The mystery of the vanished signal continues to drive research. The event serves as a powerful reminder of how much we still don't know about the universe, and the complexity of finding evidence of life beyond Earth. The search continues, driven by the hope that one day the silence will break, and we will finally understand the source of the signal that suddenly stopped.